Hello students, hope you all are fine. In the last class, we have started with the micronutrients and we have covered the topic fat soluble vitamins. Today, we are going to start with the water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Vitamin B complex is an important part of human enzyme system. They are essential for the normal metabolism of the food. There are 10 vitamins included in this group. That is thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, vitamin B6, biotin, folic acid, vitamin B12, folate and inositol. We will start with vitamin B1, that is also known as thiamine. It helps to maintain the appetite and keeps the nervous system healthy. It helps to release energy for the use of our body. Food sources of vitamin B1: whole grains, cereals, unpolished rice, meat, poultry, fish, liver, dry beans, peas, soya beans, and milk products are the sources of vitamin B1. Now what happens when we are not having enough of vitamin B1 in our diet? Lesser intake of vitamin B1 can cause beriberi. It is caused by the intake of polished rice. On polishing, the outer layer is removed, which is rich in thiamine. There are three types of beriberi. First one is infantile beriberi. In this, it occurs in the very first year of life. Vomiting is the early sign of beriberi. The infant appears to be plump and well nourished, but he is constipated and his heart is enlarged. Prolonged deficiency leads to cardiac failure, coma, and even death. Second one is dry beriberi. In this kind of beriberi, there is a symmetrical tingling. Numbness in feet and hands leads to peripheral neuropathy. Calf muscles become tender and the thighs gets also affected. Third one is wet beriberi. In this, edema and cardiac functions gets the characteristic of wet beriberi, which finally leads to cardiac failure. A combination of dry and wet beriberi may also occur. Next one is vitamin B2, which is also known as riboflavin. It is helpful in releasing energy from the cell. It helps in cellular respiration. It also contributes to the normal tissue maintenance of skin, mucous membranes. It helps in the keeping clear vision. Next one is food sources of vitamin B2. Milk and milk products, meat, liver, heart, kidney, green vegetables and eggs are the food sources of vitamin B2. Next one is what happened due to the deficiency of this disease. This deficiency are mainly reported from the countries who are consuming rice as the main food. It is found that a person with the riboflavin deficiency is also likely to be associated with the deficiency of vitamin B1 and B3, that is thiamine and niacin. A mild deficiency causes light sensitivity and dimness of the vision, followed by itching, burning and eye strain. With increasing deficiency, shiny mucosa of the lips with cracking of corner of lips, the condition known as chiliosis. A person with this disease shows a red beefy tongue and roughened skin around the mouth and nose. Next one is vitamin B3, which is also known as niacin. Its functions are it helps in releasing energy, it helps in growth. The principal role of niacin is working in association with many other enzymes to release energy from glucose. Food sources of niacin. Animal sources are liver, meat, fish and poultry. Plant sources are peanuts, beans, peas and other legumes. Now, the deficiency diseases. The deficiency of niacin is called pellagra, which is still found in our country, South Africa and Egypt, where there are low economic groups which are feeding on one cereal like on maize or some other millet. Symptoms of pellagra are 3 Ds: dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. Dementia is the confusion and loss of memory. On exposure to sun, the person shows scaly and pigmented dermatitis. Next one is vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. It is an important component of vitamin B group and it is essential for healthy blood formation and proper growth of the body. Food sources are milk, liver, and meat. Its deficiency leads to fatigue, laziness, and low energy levels. Next one is folic acid. Folic acid helps in the formation and maturation of RBCs. It's present in sprouted pulses, cauliflower, green vegetables, meat, and fish. Next one is vitamin C. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid, which is helpful in the healthy development of teeth, bones, cartilage, and connective tissues. It aids in the healing of wounds and any injury. It gives resistance to our body and ability to withstand the stresses of injury and infection. It also helps in the absorption of iron. Next one is the sources. Fresh citrus fruits like lemon, amla, guava, tomatoes, pineapple, grapes are richest source of vitamin C. Spinach, green chilies, cabbage and turnip are also having good amount of vitamin C even when they are cooked. Broccoli, carrot, cherries and sprouted pulses are some other examples of vitamin C. Warm environment, exposure to heat, solubility in water and dehydration destroy the ascorbic acids in the foods. Deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C deficiency leads to scurvy, in which the person shows restlessness, loss of appetite, general soreness to touch, sore mouth and gums with bleeding and shaking of teeth. He also shows hemorrhages and swelling of legs with problems about the knee joints. Anemia may also occur as a result of loss of blood. So these are the symptoms of vitamin C. Today we have covered water soluble vitamins, their deficiency and food sources. Now we are left with the minerals only. That we'll do in the next class. Thank you.